So I went to clean it and it locked. But the fireworks started around this time last night and didn't stop until like 11 something. And it's 10:21 now. So we have roughly hour and almost an hour to put up with them. Oh, and then the other thing I have is my fidget cube. So I just want to play with my fidget cube. Sometimes I'll have the strap on and I'll play with it. I'll have my headphones plugged in and these over. And when I'm like that, it looks like this. Let me just quickly plug in my headphones. They have a mic so you'll still be able to hear me. So, I think you guys can still hear me, but I just go like this, and the music will be at full blast. Oh, they're not plugged in all the way. Yeah, they are. But the music would be plugged on full blast, and what did I do with my fidget cube? But there it is. I just have my fidget cube in my hand on me like so, and I just go like this. So, yeah, and that's how I get through it. So, I'm going to take these off now. But they're not super loud right now, so I don't need to do that, but I'm just prepping in case they do. Right here, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below a friendly comment. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Click that notification button. Share my videos with your friends, family, and anyone who you think may enjoy them. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.